the wet season. Okay, talked about the wet season. We said the wet season is also known as the rainy season. We talked about advantages and we talked about disadvantages of wet season exactly. Good. Now we are moving on towards dry season. Okay, we are moving on to dry season. So during the dry season, the weather becomes dry and hot. The weather becomes dry and very hot. We experience harmattan during the dry season. We experience harmattan during the dry season. This season, okay, this December, we are going to experience the harmattan. We are in the dry season. We are going to experience the harmattan very well. Okay, so watch out. Okay, we are in the dry season, so watch out for the things that will happen during the dry season. Okay, and then during the dry season, the sun shines a lot. Okay, and the sun shines a lot, and then we have when the sun shines a lot, what will happen? The weather will become hot, but then you see everything clear and bright. Okay, and then during this time, during the harmattan, there's dust all over. Okay, there is dust all over because the weather is dry, so there is dust all over. Exactly. Now let us move on to the advantages of dry season. The good things we get from dry season. The dry season, what do you get from it? You play a lot, isn't it? Good. Let's move on. Number one, we enjoy going out on sunny days during dry season. We enjoy going to the pool, the beach during the dry season when the sun is shining. Okay, we enjoy going to the beach. Number two, we wear light clothes during hot season. We wear light clothes. Okay, light. The one hand and the stars. We wear them during the dry season. And then 3, farmers use the heat from the sun to dry their farm crops. They use this, especially the cocoa. Okay, they use this time to dry it very well. And during this time, the cocoa dries very well. Then you get a lot of money. Then heat from the sun. Number 4, heat from the sun easily dries our clothes, our washed clothes. As for this time, our clothes can dry very well. Exactly. Good. So you wash a lot during this time. Okay. Good. Now let us move on to the disadvantages of dry season, or the problems we get or we face during the dry season. 1, there is less or no rain during the dry season. We don't get rain, or small. When it rains, drop. We get less rain, or no rain at all during this season, and you know what will happen. 2, our skin and lips dry up and cracks during the dry season. This time, if you don't use lipstick, that is where we use the lip shine, the lipsticks. Either you must keep your mouth oily. Either than that, your mouth, you get cracks on your mouth. You get sore all over. Exactly. So you use rub and stuff during this season. Exactly. Then we easily catch cold and cough during this season because there's dust all over. You can catch cold and then cough. Okay, you can catch cold and cough during this season. So take good care of yourselves. Exactly. Good. We sweat a lot during this season because the sun scorches a lot. The sun shines a lot and the weather becomes hot. So we sweat a lot. Exactly. Good. Then during this time you must bath. You bath 2 or 3 times. Exactly. Then 5, our water bodies dry up during the dry season. Our water bodies dry up. So getting water is very difficult. Our water bodies will just dry up. Okay, when the sun shines, it takes takes it away. So it dries up. Just like that. And we are able to get water to drink, to do a lot of things. Now, the last point I'm going to talk about, crops do not get enough water to grow well. Crops do not get enough water to grow well, and when they don't get enough water to grow well, we don't get what? Food. So during this era, it's not easy. So you must take good care of yourself. Exactly. Okay, take very good care of yourself. I love you all. I'll give you an activity for you to do for me. Exactly. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.